Trouser I wear is not my trouser. No, is it trouser? It's pants, short neck. I don't know. No, not plain pants I wear. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. If you are new to my channel, my name is Temi and you are welcome to Temi's Best of Family. In today's video, I'm going to one euro store. Like, I just want to go show you guys what that shop looks like. Yeah, I'm here in our big city. As you can see, I'm in 3 station. So I take the kids with me. See madam there. Sitting at home every time is so stressful. So I just try to take them out from our house to this place. Takes us 1 hour. Yeah, we use train like 40 something minutes. So we are here already. So this is our big city. Where you get can see that is true. So here is 1 euro store. So all these stores are 1 euros. This is 1 euro. Everything is 1 euro. Let me check this out. Like all this one are 1 euro. Drop it. I did not come because of that. This egg container is 1 euro. They don't have it anymore, so thank God I asked for it, and they have only 4 left. I'm going to pack all the 4. Please talk to their 1 euros. Everything 1 euro, 1 euro. Even this so you want everyone. Okay, this one they say how much for cook. I have this stuff. So.
You can buy that.
All these I'm going to take this nylon because I'm going to take this. I'm looking for something. I don't know if they have it. Okay, this aluminium. I'm looking for nylon. I think this is nylon. I think so. I think I'm going to take all this my cleaning stuff here, and let me take this for glass cleaner. I found we are home. Let me try to read this camera here. So let me show you guys what I got there. Like that stuff, 1 euro stuff. Cannot carry that. So I got this. I know you open it. Let me check. I pray it should be 9 off. Thank God it's 9 off. See the way I'm just trying to. I don't need a carton. Yeah. So I got this for 1 euro. It's not that much. And I got this my cleaning something. Wow. For kitchen. This is for kitchen. Let me show you guys. You can see. I got this for 1 euro and this for glass. So I got this for 1 euro too. And like God just let me just carry all this rubber. The first time I went there, I got 4 pieces. Now I got another 4 pieces. I won't pack more than that, so bad. They don't get again. Now even look, I can see this one carry. Like, or mini lock loading. See this. I'm supposed to check what I want to buy before buying it. This is so small for this photo because it's my baby photo. Yeah, my first dog. So I won't put a photo here, but what's it carry you? So maybe money that's your photo meets mama facing the frame here. Yeah. So I got all this photo. I mean 1 euro. I've been trying to get this bottle. Anytime I go to where with Pamio, which is Chinese store, I always see like 3-4 euro. I always say, why will I buy something like this 3 euro, 4 euro? So I just get luck today. Allow running me. Like I've been normal. So I I know they buy something too expensive, but especially things I know that it's not that worth it. I know they buy something expensive like that. So, and I just say for 1 year, I say, hey, grab your copy now. I will put my kids hair oil because I always make their hair oil, especially now that I have two princess now, so I'm taking good care of their hair. Yeah. So I got this for 1 year, and check this out. I got it for 1 year. I was like, me that like salsa plants. So I don't know where I'm going to put it. That is my kitchen, my sitting room. I don't know, but actually I got a sharp for 1 year. And I got this iron sponge too for 1 year. Help me thank God though. Finally, I've got this my sockets. It's even my husband that got it because me, I always forget unless I write that down. Yeah, so thank God he have got it for us. He's going to fix it. I think I should try my effort to read it when he's fixing it there. So thank God we've got it. It's not that cost, so just €5, but you always forget. I got this for 1 kilo. It's €5.50. Yeah, so I'm going to cook this okra in new dimension. Like, I'm going to teach this guy how you can cook your okras like with slides. Is it sliding or what? Or drawing? I don't know. Woman, Jodada. Borrow me the English. So I'm going to cook the okra. You can see the okra is so good. Or should I even cook it today? Did I have the strength? I don't get the strength. I know the cook today, not tomorrow. I don't know if I'm still going to supermarkets. If I'm going to supermarkets, I'll surely carry gas and all with me. I think I'll see you guys later. Ciao for now and adios. Last, I'm here. I know that I'm still going to come to supermarket. So we are here. Yeah. I'm going to take this turkey for jollof fried rice. Because €4 meat, €3 39. I think if I did buy African marriage, African marriage, because that meat, how many person won't buy take cook? It is well. I'm going to pack fish. There's some people who eat meat. I'm going to pack fish. Yeah. As a matter of fact, fish is good more than meat. Shebi. I'm going to pack fish here. Abi e tún lè jam e tún pé jaton. Abi wọ́n say na no even want to move see fish again. So, we'll take fish. I want to tell you guys secrets. This is my first time wearing shorts outside. Daybreak. Wearing shorts I look like. Me, I don't even get to see me. It's my first time. It's my first time wearing short out. As in daybreak, load more money fair and fair. Am I fine? Do I look good? I don't know. This is my first time wearing short like this, having short pants outside. Yeah. I came here with bicycle. That's why my hair don't scatter. The trouser is not my trouser. The trouser I wear is not my trouser. No, is it trouser? It's pants. Short neck, I don't know. No, not play pants I wear. My husband play pants. I was like, is it good? He said, is it okay now? I mean, like, this was not change. Before, you know, we like wear this kind of thing come outside. Even if I know even the body short something. When I first wear, I first be feel, am I okay? I even go to mirror, I go to look myself that day, okay with that? Like, it's so funny. I say, can I wear this to come outside? Let me just say this man no. And when I say yes, it's good, I can wear it out. I think I'm outside and I'm feeling myself small. Maybe this man no come. He say, madam, come out. Where you branch to? I'm at market, I don't know. So who check it to come by. So I'm trying to check what I can carry. I'm going to buy my boo baby food here. Yeah, she loved this pasta so much. Let me get her this too. I'm not going to carry her food now, which is her milk. She still has one because I know if you carry her. I'm not carrying around. So, what do I want to buy again? Because I'm going to cook tomorrow. Yeah, I don't buy finish. I like no. Can I carry what is it called? Tomato. Can I carry tomato with this my hamburger keke? With my keke now, with my G wagon. I don't know. So let me go and pay for now. Maybe tomorrow I can come back here to chop some things. So more go pay. Yeah. So I'm done buying. I'm going home. Let me show you my bicycle is there. So that is my bicycle because they're about to close. So I just said, oh, let me ride bicycle fastest. So I'm going to see you guys when I get home. Yeah. Bye for now. So I'm going to show you guys this way because it's dark. Yeah. Let me show you guys. Let me stand like this. I don't know if it's clear because I don't have that ring light. I think this light is okay for now. So I went to African store. I went to buy black kilo yam flour. So I got this for €4. Is it good like this? I don't know. Okay. So I got this fish for €2.96. I got two turkey. Now two turkey here. And I have this meat here. Yeah, I not buy too much of meat though, because look, for can you see €4 something, almost €5, €4.54. I don't get too much, so then I got 4 fish. Yeah, I got these 4 fish. And I'm going to pack everything now. I got this roast spinach vegetable. And I have this one. Thank you guys for coming once again. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. And see you guys on my next video. Bye, adios, and ciao.